your network just failed again, and you have no idea why it keeps happening. Here's the brutal truth. Your legacy hardware is silently sabotaging your business growth, and you're completely blind to it. In emerging tech hubs across developing markets, small businesses are hitting invisible walls when they try to scale globally. The culprit? IPv6 configuration failures that crash networks in seconds. While you're focused on growing your customer base, hidden IPv6 neighbor discovery failures are lurking in your infrastructure. Prefix delegation gaps create bottlenecks you never see coming. Dual stack complexities turn simple network expansions into technical nightmares. This isn't just about slow internet. This is about your entire digital transformation grinding to a halt exactly when you need it most. But here's what changes everything. Mastering IPv6 configuration transforms these connectivity struggles into seamless, scalable infrastructure. Imagine your network becoming a resilient digital powerhouse, capable of competing on the world stage instead of constantly fighting fires. The businesses that solve these critical infrastructure puzzles today are the ones that dominate tomorrow's global markets. Don't let outdated protocols kill your growth momentum.